Yeah. Pick the pipe, pick the pepper. I sent shots off with my steppers. I told her I never leave, cause she got mad because I left her. I told her yeah, whatever. Fuck with me, it's now or never. It's now or never, it's now or never, You play with me, well, I got problems I can settle. I told her that she bad, but she look like she from the devil. You try to play with me, rock out banger, heavy metal. I tell you right with me, rock out banger, heavy metal. Yeah, she asked me where I'm from, and I say I'm from the dog. This city of no love, and these bitches don't show trust. You told me that you fuck with me, like who is you to judge? I tell them they can't fuck with me, she acting like it's love. I can't cope without my meds, how I die inside my bed. I told my bro keep living, you know he the walking dead. I don't fuck with you, you feds. I don't fuck with you, you feds. They try to play with me until the chopper put on the red. Said she wanna fuck with me because she curious. I'm moving fast, baby, living fast and furious. She see the hoes in my phone, I think that she oblivious. She told me that she love me, then she leave, but she missing me. Used to have a blazing bitch, but she be tripping on me bad. I tell you about my problems, I don't care about what I had. These hoes inside my phone, that's the shit that made you mad. Quit bitching on your ass, go get up and get a bag. Yeah, I heard your song when I play that shit trash. Throwing money on these bitches and then I'm done, I feel my stash. Talking about you really want it, you should leave it in the past. So much drugs up in my body, I get high and I might crash. Walk with right around with a Tommy, he might just catch a body. Tell her meet me in the lobby and tell her come and tie me. I ain't playing 2K set to play, you think that was a floppy. You tryna fuck with me, I'm tryna touch up on her body. I say bitch was bad as hell, we get hibachi. She told me that she need me, baby, you can never cross me. I said Vivi's on my neck and I don't play about my cheese. I got bitches sipping, drinking, sitting back, in the V's. If they try to play with me, I got that bitch up on her knees. And she screaming, daddy please, till she can't fucking breathe.